Hello friends, in this video I will guide you to edit photos in my lighting workshop. Instructing students to take pictures in a flower field. This field is not that big, but because of the angle of the shot, it look more impress. How to set up the light, I is guided in lighting section. And now I will start editing this photo. In this photo, I think the light on the face is already beautiful. Skin is very soft. Has a very nice displacement. Then I will first white balance. Mute the white balance. Add another one. After adjusting the white balance, it looks clearer in the picture. This picture you can leave it like that, a lot of people like to have the natural color like that. However, you can be color blends. I will show you how to blend colors without applying colors. Other colorists you will find is that the color is often stained on the skin, it will not be beautiful. I doesn't like this. So I corrects the color by changing the color of the environment. Here in this photo I will see that it is only green, white. There are only two colors. And there's a little bit of yellow here. Then I just need to process those two colors and I will get a completely different picture. Now I will show you. The first is that I will reduce the green color. Here you see before, after, it's different. And now if I subtract one more yellow. That's it, you see that only these two colors are eliminated. Then it produced a picture that was completely different. A lot of people they overlay color by correcting with curves. Then it will always cover the skin, it will not be beautiful, its image is not clear. Therefore, please note that when I want to be transparent, I only process the color on each array. And now if I want the skin to be clearer, I just goes to skin. Scans the skin, I will see that the tone of it changes completely. If you want the color tone to be brighter, you can choose again. Scan skins. Then you see it's just by changing the color. I completely changed this photo. Then the rest is very easy. I only have to adjust the dress block. And the dress and chiffon are also very beautiful. This part is a bit bright. Then I will handle it by choosing brush. Select highlight. Scan in. That's a bit too much, change opacity. Before, after. Then I have a very clear picture. Here you can do some more tricks like you can add contrast. The picture is fresher, brighter. This is up to you. I think it's just a little extra. Now I will block the image. Dodge and burn. Liquify. I can also increase the focus by adding detail. Then my skin feels very beautiful, then you can delete it or not. This part of making the skin it is very relatively simple. So I have completed a color correction photo. With just a few simple steps. The most important thing is how to take such a beautiful picture. So I almost don't have to edit much at all. Maybe I will squeeze the dress a little. But this part is sharp, I will fix it. I'll make it a little softer. Other than that, there's not much to fix. Because this dress when taking I was folded, you see it has layers. It's very beautiful. That's what you need to keep in mind when taking pictures. That's why lighting and setup are so important. Post-production is very fast. Anyone can do this with just a few clicks.